Trinidad and Tobago is a true melting pot of cultures. Out of this spot, our unique flavors come to life. I'm Renee, and here on Simply Local, we cook some of our favorite local recipes or put a Trini spin on international cuisine. So join me on Simply Local as we celebrate food from a Trinbagonian's perspective.
Hey guys, welcome back to Simply Local. So it's carnival season and that can mean only one thing. Everybody is going to the gym around the savannah, you're watching your weight and you're watching your budget. Because you know you have to go them fats, right? So I have something here today that could go with your budget as well as a healthy lifestyle, right? We're gonna make a salad and it's not a boring salad, don't worry. We're spicing things up a bit because we have some jerk shrimp. I know everybody loves shrimp. You can't get away from that, it's delicious and it's really easy to make. Right, and we're making a watermelon mint salad. It's really refreshing and it pairs well with the shrimp. And we have an easy lime vinaigrette going with it. So stay tuned. So remember I said we're going to save on our budget. I have here Cuisine's budget pack shrimp, and it's actually a relatively good size shrimp to put in a salad. And now jerk seasoning is really up to you if you have the time to make your jerk seasoning from scratch. I actually have one of my good friends, Omar from the States. Hi Omar. He made this for us, right? So we have some homemade jerk seasoning here, right? Depending on the spiciness of it, you're gonna put less or you can put more. You guys know I'm not in the spiciness, but I'm gonna put it today. I felt as though the jerk were gonna liven up this dish and I really want it. So I'm just gonna put a little bit first and then we'll taste and we'll go from there. So my oil has heated sufficiently, so I'm gonna add the shrimp. Right? And we're gonna allow this to cook for at least 5 minutes, nothing more than that. So while the shrimp is being sauteed, we're gonna make a quick, easy vinaigrette. Right, so I have some olive oil here, some lime juice, salt and pepper, and it's literally that easy. I didn't want to make this vinaigrette too heavy because we already have the spices of the jerk coming on here. So it's just a light little vinaigrette to, help you with your salad. Again, we're saving with that budget. We have our local artisan lettuce. So it's not your imported romaine lettuce or anything like that, local. So that means it's cheaper and we're actually supporting local, so that's even better. I decided to go with watermelon today. It's because watermelon right now, it's in its prime time. You're getting it for at least $2, right? Which is great, $2 a pound, right? I added mint leaves because I feel as though, again, a little bit of heaviness comes with the jerk and we have the vinaigrette going here. I felt as though when I think about mint, I just think refreshing one time. And I felt as though it will just tie the whole dish together and just add a little bit of a nice refreshment to the dish. And just to make the dish a little bit more decadent and luxurious, I added a little bit of feta cheese, right? Always be mindful when you're adding anything hot to green leafy vegetables. You want to make sure and cool off the item before you add it to the dish because it's going to wilt that green and we don't want it. We want it to stay nice and fresh and vibrant, right? So I'm just going to add my shrimp. And then I'll add my watermelon. I'm leaving some to top. We're adding our watermelon. And I cleaned the watermelon. So I took out all the seeds in it. Just already, guys, the colors that you're getting from this. You guys know that I love to see the colors and just everything coming together so nicely. All right. Then we add in the mint leaves. Trust me, when you taste this, the little hint of mint, you're gonna be like, that's why she added it. Guys, what did I tell you? This is not a boring salad. Look at it, it just looks so pretty already and vibrant. All the colors, it just invited and making you feel like, yeah, you can do this and you can still be healthy, you know? So you guys know I love this part to taste everything. Right, so I'm just gonna try and get a piece of lettuce here with a shrimp, some feta, maybe even try and get a watermelon piece in. Okay. This is so good. This is really good. When you try this, guys, that zing, the little zing from the lime juice that you use in the vinaigrette, perfect. The jerk is a little spicy for me, but by the time I put a watermelon in there, it kind of balances it out. And the mint, again, like I said, just refreshing. You just this burst of refreshingness in your mouth and delightful. It's really good. So here we have it, guys, our jerk shrimp and watermelon salad. As always, the full recipe is on eatahfoodtt.com, or you can follow us on Instagram or Facebook. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know down in the comments below what you thought about this dish, and let me know what kind of food or dish items that you like to prepare and keep healthy for this carnival season. Bye!